One might say raindrops are equivalent to human tears. All the sadness pours upon the world when one cannot hold it in their bodies any longer. Every raindrop on the window is equivalent to a piece of sadness encountered by a human being. One may look to their faith for hope or disregard. One may look in the mirror and see what is there. What lies behind me? Shall I dwell upon the past or keep moving forward through the tears of human sadness? Listening to the raindrops fall upon the vehicle is like feeling other people's sadness and burdens upon my shoulders. Some people just sit here and some ponder in the past. Some may wonder, will life get any better? Or not? Some ponder and wonder aimlessly, continually in about their life. Some people have